we go.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I knew. And you, you're gonna hate me. Hi.
Hey, hello po.
Anong pangalan mo?
Wendy po.
Bamboo,
Yes.
do your thing.
Congratulations na umikot ang dalawang coaches para sa'yo.
Thank you po.
Alright.
Umikot, binlock mo.
Bakit hindi lang ako umikot, no? It's just, itong kanta na to, no? Naririnig ko to usually sa mga semifinals, sa finals, no? It's that kind of song. At ako, ni-require ko lang is from this song, from your performance, was parang konting linis pa eh. Right? But the energy and then the attack, tama naman eh for the idea. But again, umikot ang dalawang coaches para sa'yo.
Sorry,
Na-block na
baby.
ulit yung isa.
Pero, yan nga, the black. Okay.
Sorry.
Yung isa.
She's perfect for her, but I wanted her.
So you don't want me anymore?
No, I want you. I always want you, sweetheart, but Daddy won't be in this world as long as you, so I only have a chance now. Anong laban dyan?
Sige. Wala naman na talaga akong magagawa. Napalitan na yung pangalan ko sa Black. Si Coach Black.
Black Tandigan!
Black Tandingan. This is such a big song to sing, lalong-lalo na sa audition. But yung kagandahan naman sa kanya, it's sort of an announcement ng kung sino ka at ano ang kaya mong gawin sa competition. For you to even consider singing this song, ibig sabihin talaga, ano ka talaga, yung gagawin ko ang lahat. Kasi yung kanta na to, pang make or break yung performance na to. You can't just breeze through it. Hindi mo siya pwedeng tsambahin, charutin, ganyan. Kaya ako medyo nahuli, kasi may mga parts ako kanina na sana may mga hindi ka na ginawa, parang ganyan. Parang siguro dahil nga nape-pressure ka na, since it's a very big song, I have to do very big things. So may mga parts na medyo nakawala lang, may mga nag-sharp, but all these things are things that we can work on. Sana kung hindi ako na-black. Pero yun nga, dahil napunta ka naman kay Coach Martin, I'm super sure na kung tayo na pagtrabahuan natin yun, mas papagtrabahuan niya yun. Kasi binlock niya ako eh. Ibig sabihin, gusto ka talaga niya. So congratulations that you are now part of Martin.
Yeah! Wendy, let me first say, if I'm being honest, no, tama silang dalawa. Even I heard some of the sharp notes that you did. But I prefer sharp over flat if the performance is there. Yung boses mo, napaka-strong, napaka-versatile. Pwede sa mga theater, musicals, Broadway plays. I mean, that's one thing I don't think I have yet on Martin. Yung boses na pwede gawin, kahit anong gusto kong gawin sa boses mo, kaya-kaya mo. And I'm so happy that you're with me. Wendy, are you ready? Here she is! Wendy on the Martin! Here we go! Wendy is on Martin! The boys teams!